In this video I'm going to show you how to increase your jump height in Schedule 1. So what you need to do is follow all our steps and you are able to run fast through the map and jump very high. And that is very easy to move through the map without losing any time. So follow these steps and you will be set up within a couple of minutes. The first step is go to the link in the description which says Melon Loader, and there you will find this website. What we need to do over here is basically download the Melon Loader installer to use Melon Loader in your game. This enables using mods through this game. So download the latest Melon Loader, and once you have done that, also check if your Microsoft Visual C is up to date. That is very important, otherwise this mod won't work in your game. The next step is to of course download the Melon Loader installer, and I will show you guys quickly how to do that. Just download the installer, open it, and as you can see we can now open this file. Just click on it. After that select the game in this list. So we need to select Schedule 1. As you can see my Melon Loader is already connected to my game, but if your game is not in this list, then you can add it manually over here. Just click on it and you need to fill in your game file location. Now if you would like to find your game file location, go to Steam, then right click on Manage and then Browse Local Files. And once you have clicked on that, you will find your game file location. Now copy this path and go back to the Melon Loader and paste the path in here. Now select it. After that you need to select the game, so the exe file, and once you have selected that you will see this pop up because the game is already listed here, but if it was not here then you are able to add it. Now the next step is of course select the game. Once you have done that you need to enable nightly builds to load up the latest version of this game into the Melon Loader. So after that click on install. At my game it is reinstall because I have already installed it, and after that you can close out. The next step is to of course open the mod, and I have also pasted a link to that mod in the description of this video. So what you need to do is click on the link in the description where it says mod menu and you will find this page. Now you need to create a free account on this website, and after that you are able to download this mod. Just click on mod, and as you can see we need to install Melon Loader first before we can use this mod in this game. After that download it, and once you have downloaded it you can go to the files and there you will see this zip file. The only thing you need to do is basically to click on the zip file and after that extract all. Then this screen will pop up and you need to extract it into your downloads, and as you can see we have a DLL file. And this is the mod itself. So select the mod, then right click, copy, and now you need to head over to your game file location. As I just showed, go to Steam, right click on the game, manage, browse local files, and you are in the game files. Now go to the mods folder and paste the file over here in this mods folder, and after that you have added the mod successfully to your game. So now close everything out. You need to open the game, and once you are in the game we are going to use the mod. Now what you need to do is click on the M on your keyboard. After that you will open your phone and go to messages, and there you will find CDXX. Now the first step is of course to open this menu, and there you will see player management. Click on that. After that click on your profile and then go to set jump power. I have set the jump power on 4, but you can also select 5 for example. If I do this I will jump higher than I already did. So if you check this, you will jump very high in this game. And this will help you to jump higher in Schedule 1. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!